Fucking nice. No.
Why?
Because I need to get it done. You can get us something to eat.
What do you need to eat?
You can get us something to eat.
Like what?
I don't know. Think about it. I have no idea. I finally started doing this, and then you're going to walk out here and ask me if I want to go somewhere. What? Even though I did this around 9:30 last night, and now it's like 12:30, 1 o'clock. I'm not sure what time it is, but it's still a little tacky. But I'm gonna get it down a little bit better. It's kind of gumming up a little bit. That's 60 grit. Sanded it with 60 grit. It's a little bit tacky. I don't want to sand it too much because I want to leave as much on there as I can for strength. So I'm going to let that tack up a little more, get it, let it dry out, and then maybe hand sand it just to smooth some of those little bumps out. I'm going to get onto the sand in the bottom a little bit. Thanks for watching.